Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in the word gym, we're going to learn an advanced verb, ameliorate. Ameliorate. I often see this word in my students' writing. It means to make something better, to improve, to solve a problem. Let's look at some examples. Number 1, Greta Thunberg demanded the world for actions to ameliorate the global warming issue.
Someone who can ameliorate the situation.
Number 2, measures to ameliorate students' language proficiency have had little effect.
Just winging that guy is not going to ameliorate your situation.
Number 3, everyone wishes to ameliorate his own condition.
And did the head help to ameliorate your pest peccadillo?
To make a bad and unpleasant situation better, ameliorate. This word is very popular in reading or writing exam papers. Use this word in a sentence and comment down below. I'll see you again tomorrow for another new word.